1. Stop using your legal name in the internet. 2. Have your main crypto money in an anonymous wallet. 3. Limit your social media time on 1 hour per day. Do not trust media. Trust more what you see on streets with your own eyes. Number 4. Use cash, not cards, as much as possible. 5. Use independent encrypted messengers like Signal and Vicker.me. Number 6. Find a small place where you can live off grid for a few months. A little hut near the forest where you can grow vegetables and get firewood from the forest. If you cannot get this, get a good knife and learn how to survive in the wilderness, how to find food, water, build shelter. YouTube can help. Number 7. Invest and buy gold, silver, platinum that you store in a secret place in your house. Do not tell anyone, not even your partner. And finally, number 8. Organize your most important belongings that you can pack and leave your house in 13 minutes. Sometimes